A woman accused of stealing thousands of dollars from the church where she worked faces new charges tonight. Evelyn Mace was arrested Tuesday on a 6-count indictment for tax evasion. Fox 10 News reporter Renee Dials has that story.
There was no response at Evelyn Mace's home in Theodore today. The 60-year-old former church bookkeeper was released on bond following her arrest on new charges Tuesday. The arrest stems from a 6-count indictment alleging Mace failed to pay state taxes on money stolen from First Independent Methodist Church over a 3-year period.
If you get your money illegally, fraudulently, selling drugs, or any other way, and the state can establish that you got this income, and you didn't pay taxes on it, then you're subject to the same tax penalties as anybody else who doesn't declare income and pay taxes on it.
Assistant District Attorney Martha Tierney says the State Revenue Department joined the investigation after the original arrest more than a year ago.
Investigation, that case was greatly aided by the work of Special Agent Randy Day with the Alabama Department of Revenue. He is a forensic accountant.
Mace became the focus of an investigation after church leaders discovered thousands of dollars had been spent from the church's bank account. The money went to casinos and other personal expenses relating to Mace, who was a longtime bookkeeper for the congregation.
So I went to the bank and obtained bank records to sit down with them. After seeing the bank records, the top sheet on the bank records that was put to me from the bank in the lobby had all the casinos in Biloxi listed with expenditure.
This could be just the beginning for Mace's tax troubles, because if she didn't pay her state taxes, the feds could be looking at her too. Tierney says that will be up to the IRS, but she says the current charges focus on the state tax returns only.
More than likely, they're not going to file a federal return admitting that they got the money.
The indictment also mentions charges relating to stolen rental money as well as money from the Deepwater Horizon Oil Spill Trust.
I'm going to try and not say much about the case since it hasn't gone to trial, but in general, let me say, whenever there is an examination of financial records for a charge of either embezzlement or tax evasion, invariably new information is uncovered that one didn't expect to find.
Tierney says the new charges will likely be tried along with the original case. In Mobile, I'm Renee Dials, Fox 10 News.
And Mace's trial for embezzlement and theft is set for late March.